with Bu Devi. In here, I would like to submit my time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You look busy today.
Yes, I have a lot of activities. You know, I'm studying at college and also living in a pesantren.
Wow, that must be trying. What's your daily routine like?
I usually wake up at 4 a.m. to perform tahajjud and fajar prayers. After that, I read the Quran and get ready to go to my yai house.
What time do you go to your yai house?
I usually leave at 6 a.m. and stay there until 10 a.m. After that, I go back to the pesantren for lunch and take a short rest.
What do you do after that?
After that, at 12:30, I go to campus for my class until around 4 p.m.
That's great. Do you have free time?
Of course, at night after the Isha prayer, I usually study my college material again or chat with my friends before going to bed around 10 p.m.
Your activities are busy but meaningful, right?
Yes, I try to balance my college life and pesantren activity every day.
It was nice talking to you about your daily activity.
Sam here. Thank you for listening. See you next time.